Well, hey folks, how's it all going? Welcome back, an old man. That's one of my favorite views right there. In the land of grills, where I have a lot of choices. I got two kind of cheap porterhouse steaks, kind of thin. Was on sale at the grocery store, and I just wanna get some smoke on them, and I want to cook them up kind of quick. And I look around and everything's so clean. I don't really want to get anything dirtied up, and I'm short on time, and I want one cooker that can do it all. And I keep coming back time and time again to this doggone Masterbuilt 560 gravity-fed charcoal grill, folks. I would hope that somebody else jumps on the bandwagon here and starts to make something just like this, because it would just be cool to have other competition out there for it. But we're gonna fire this thing up, give you a look see at the steak, folks. If you haven't watched any videos on this thing yet, Tom Horseman YouTube, unboxing, assembly, all the mods, gone through everything. The only thing I haven't done yet is get into that charcoal harper and that burn. It's not a burn pot. It's a burn chamber, more or less. And coming up soon, folks. For those of you who are waiting to see how I'm going to reline that and make it better, that's coming up. So I tell you what, let's go take a look at those steaks while I get this thing fired up. Oh man, there's our steak. I call them porterhouse. They're actually T-bones, and they're pretty thin. So these won't take long. And you're asking what I'm putting on there. My son, Barbecue Brian over at Mad Horse Barbecue, gave me this Cosmo dry rub Texas beef, and this stuff is, wow, it's really good. So I'm probably going to order some, but I tell you what, let's get them on the Masterbuilt. All right, folks, just put the steak on. We got her set at 200. You can see we're looking at 202 there. Our gauge is a little bit higher than that. But it takes a while for this thing to dial itself in, about 15-20 minutes. Take a quick look here. I don't want to cook these steaks. You can see how thin they are. So we're just gonna go a little bit here, get some smoke on them, and then turn the temp up and give them a quick sear. So quick and easy one here today, but oh man, I love steak. All right, after about 20 minutes, 200. Nice smoke rolling out of there. Like I said, these thin steaks are almost harder to cook than something that's thick, because you got to be just perfectly, you got to do them just perfect. So I'm about ready to pull these off, turn this thing up to 650, and let's get to searing. What kind of charcoal I'm using? Oh, you bet. B&B, folks. I love this stuff in the Masterbuilt. Works good, burns hotter, longer, cleaner. Good stuff. This thing always amazes me. This isn't even 4 minutes yet. You see I got my temp probe on the lid there buried, and she's already throttling back. And 4 minutes, we went from 200 to 650, just like that. It's amazing, this thing is. Get them steaks on in a bit here. All right, folks, let's get our steak on. You can just in the 20 minutes, you can see got some nice smoke on there. I took these up to about 100 degrees. So up there, and we're gonna go probably 30 seconds, quarter turn, then a minute, and then flip them. Give you looks. All right, I did 30 seconds, then did a quarter turn. Remember that 30 seconds, that's when that grill was the hottest. And then obviously the meat cooled it down a little bit, so I went 1 minute. And now we're gonna give her a flip, see how they're doing. Oh yeah, look at that. All right, so a minute, and then quarter turn, minute, and they'll be done. All right, folks, these are easily done. Oh yeah. So we're gonna take them off and let them rest, and give you a look-see. All right, folks, let the steak rest for about 5 minutes. I'm really nervous that I overcooked these. I have a feeling I did. But we're gonna find out here. Don't look too bad. Oh yeah, hey, that's medium rare. Not bad. Take a little taste test here. That's good. Tell you what, that Masterbuilt,
quick cook. Steaks turned out great. Even thin steaks, which are hard to do. Folks, Tom Horseman at YouTube. Thumbs up, leave a comment, and as always, appreciate you watching.